Okay, so 2 days in a row, which is very exciting. It's freezing in my room, so I am piled under a bunch of blankets. But we're gonna read more about Tora-san. I don't know how much more, but some more. All right. Tora-san wa itsumo genkan de matte imasu. I feel like I should know this. Something about Tora-san. Nope. Cool. Tora-san is always waiting for me at the entrance. Ie de matte iru toki, Tora-san wa sabishi no kamoshiremasen. Whoa. I definitely did not read those word breaks right. Tora-san wa sabishi no kamoshiremasen. Tora-san doesn't something. She might be feeling lonely and she is waiting for me at home. Mochika shitara kazoku to kyodai ni aitai no kamoshiremasen. Something because and then also when she's waiting, maybe? She maybe wants to see her family and siblings. That's weird because that's like the same. It's the same verb there, or like the same write out of inokamo shiremasen. So I don't know. Between those two sentences, I don't know what's the same because the verb looks weird. Okay. Kyou mo ue ni kaete. Today when I came home, genkan no doa o akemashita. Today when I came home, something about the door? I want to be like the door's open, but I'm just guessing. Oh, today I came home and opened the door. Tora-san ga itsumo no yoni genkan de matte imashita. Today when I came home, something Tora-san, something about waiting for him. As always. Okay. Tora-san was waiting at the door as always. Nya nya. Nya nya. Meow meow. Tadaima. I'm home. Boku wa Tora-san to hanashite imashita. I said to Tora-san. I was talking to Tora-san. Okay. Kawaii neko desu ne. You're a cute cat. Boku no ushiro ni oya-san ga tatte imashita. I should know ushiro. The landlord was standing behind me. Ushiro is behind. Uh-oh. Boku wa bikkuri shimashita. I got surprised. Oya-san wa Tora-san o mite imashita. The landlord saw Tora-san and said, Hitori gurashi wa sabishi desho. Something about by yourself. Living alone must be lonely. Sumimasen. Kono neko wa joshi ni moraimashita. I'm sorry. This cat is from my coworker. My coworker gave me this cat. I received this cat from my boss, not coworker. Sugu ni jisho joshi ni kaeshimasu. I could return her. I will return her to him immediately. Toboku wa imashita. I said to him. Oh, I said. Okay. Ii desu yo. Daiji ni shinasai. I feel like ii desu yo is good, but like, is he really gonna make her go away? Daiji ni shinai. And then it. Daiji ni shinai. Something no. Oh, ii desu yo. It's okay. Take good care of it. Oya-san wa itte ie ni kaerimashita. And my landlord went he comes. It's something about coming home. Said the landlord, and he went back home. Oh, that's the end. So, we get to keep Tora-san, which is adorable, because she's so cute. Okay, we will keep watching / reading. There's the vocab and the summary, and then I'll probably have to read this a bunch of times. Okay, sweet. Ja!